Hi, my name is Cecilia, and I'm from the Nanakuli Boys and Girls Club of Hawaii. And today what I'll be making is slime. So my ingredients are wood glue, shaving cream, and food coloring. But the food coloring is optional. So first I'm going to pour the wood glue in. And you might want to save some if in case it turns too thick. So now I'm going to add shaving cream, but only use a little. If it's acting like that, you might want to shake it. Almost there. And now what I'm going to add is a little bit of food coloring. Put over there. You can put as many drops as you want. If it's too liquidy, you should add glue. Or if it's too thick, more shaving cream. Mahalo for watching this video, and I hope you have fun making your slime.